So I might have bitten off more than I can chew. 4 massive build series, a garage full of stuff that I basically need to sell because I cleared out my storage, all at the same time. I might actually be insane. Hey everybody, my name's Nick. If you watched my last video, you probably saw that I went over 3,000 miles to go get my Integra and bring it back from Colorado to California. And the good news is the trip itself was amazing. I've actually got more content coming from that, but the trip itself was amazing, and somehow it's here. After nearly 10 years, it's absolutely insane to me to have it in my driveway. The bad news is it hasn't left this spot since I pulled it off the trailer because it died. And now I've got to figure out what the issue is, along with all of these other things that are going on. But here's the thing. This is just really the beginning of the journey. I've got 3-4 massive projects to complete over the next 3, 6, 12 months. And I just want to give everybody kind of insight into where I'm headed with all of these things, so you know what you're getting yourself into if you're brave enough to support me on this journey and hit that subscribe button. First up, getting this Integra back to life, and better than ever. This Milano Red Beauty has been sitting for 10 years, and that means every system needs attention. Over the next few months, you'll see me tackle everything from getting her running again, to hiding modern tech in this old 90s dashboard, to figuring out why someone might have tried to steal her and preventing that in the future. The goal? Take her on an epic Highway 1 drive and show her off at one of the local car shows. Maybe next spring. Next up, 2008 Honda Element. Ultimate adventure rig, basically gonna do all of this maintenance stuff, plus swivel seats, LED lights, a bed setup, a nice stereo system, a solar power system, maybe even some water, I don't know, but just think everything you would want in an adventure van for van life without the van. Now, if you've watched any of my videos on the channel, you know I'm an absolute fanboy for the Honda Element, and more specifically the Honda Element community. So my goal with this is to get it out to as many community events as I can, but also I'm thinking maybe like a epic road trip to either the P&W meet or Elements on the Dragon or something like that. And if you know those meets, you're in the right place. Make sure you hit subscribe and let me know where you're at, because I'd love to hear from you. Now, this one is going to be real special because it's a 1989 Honda CRX SI that has not been driven in about a decade. But the thing is, it's not mine. It's my brother's car, and I've been storing it for him for the last 5 or 6 years. And he doesn't know, unless he watches this channel, which I don't think he does because he's not really a YouTube guy. But I'm going to bring it back to life and get it back on the road, and more importantly, get it back to track condition. So he used to drive the car regularly. Life happens, family happens, things just, you know how it is. But I've been holding on to it in hopes that he could get it back on the road. But I think because people have been watching my videos and supporting this channel, I'm starting to make a little bit of money. You all are making this happen, and my goal is to get it back to track condition and get him on the track in the car at Laguna Seca. And I can just see that moment in my mind and how awesome it's going to be. And of course, I will take you along for the entire journey over the next however long it takes, 3, 6, 12 months. So yeah. And yes, if you've got a keen eye, you spotted these other 2 cars, which are for future projects on the channel. So you can see I've got my work cut out for me, and I can't wait to share both of these. But more specifically, that second one back there is my absolute favorite car I've ever owned of all time. And finally, if I'm gonna pull these 3 simultaneous builds off, I need to get my workspace sorted because it's an absolute mess. And as you can see, honestly, this garage is embarrassing to me right now. So I'm documenting the complete transformation. I got to build the ultimate workbench. I got to get organized with my tools. I'm going to build a little electronics lab so I can test my stereo equipment, my alarms, my fun stuff, and maybe even put in a 3D printing station, or who knows, we'll see. Let's see what tools I can get my hands on in the next few months. But honestly, I need to include the perfect filming setup because, as you've probably noticed, I haven't been filming in the garage near as much as I used to. This workspace isn't just about looking good, it's about making these builds actually possible. Now, am I crazy for taking on all of this all at once? Probably. Will everything go according to plan? Absolutely not. But that's the whole point, you know. This channel is about the journey. It's about the real journey, the real build, the real learning, the real relatable aspect of car culture and the community of people that go through these same things and somehow persevere. So I guess I should say cheers to the victories, the mistakes, the unexpected problems, and the unintentional community that I'm going to meet along the way with all of this stuff. It's kind of representative of what I'm trying to build here, and I feel like the pursuit of something is better than the pursuit of nothing. So here's what I need from you. If you want to follow along on any or all of these builds, hit that subscribe button because I'm posting twice a week from here on out. There's going to be a lot happening in this garage. And honestly, I know I'm not the only one with super ambitious project car dreams out there. So if you're on the pursuit of something, whether it's bringing an old car back to life, building your dream rig, or finally organizing that garage, drop a comment below and tell me what you're working on. Share a link to your build if you've got one, because we've got work to do. So let's get started. I'll catch you in the next one.